Hello, my Kandor crafters. If you're new here, welcome. If you are loyal, welcome back. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did these cute peekaboo coasters. I call it peekaboo, but it's not really peekaboo. I guess it's just double-sided, but you get the point. So I start off by mixing my resin. As you know, 1 part of resin, 1 part of hardener mixed together. Honestly, when I do resin projects, I do multiple resin projects at once. So I do not have the exact measurements, but I do know that the beakers that I'm using are 50 milliliters. So I'm just going to guesstimate that I used about 40 milliliters. And when you start adding glitter and mica powder, it gives you more resin, if that makes sense. So, plus I also do a clear coat on top. But yeah, so anywho, right now I'm mixing about 40 milliliters, and I'm using my Dr. Crafty mica powder, my Dr. Crafty resin, and I'm using just this emerald glitter that I got from either Michael's or Joann's. And I'm just mixing it all up until I get the color that I like. Honestly, I feel like I always overdo it with the glitter, but I think it just gives it a little extra oomph. That's just me. The mica powder does give it, a nice color, and it does have like a shimmer in itself. I'm just extra, and if you're loyal, you know this about me. After everything is all mixed, I pour it into my mold. Now this first coaster that I'm doing, I'm actually not putting a decal on the back of it, so I do fill it to the top. But the second one, the green one, I do not fill it to the top because I'm putting a decal back there, and then I'm going to seal that decal with a clear coat of resin. So it's technically going to be 3 layers for the green project and 2 layers for the pink project. My lighter ran out of fluid, so I am using my heat gun. Honestly, I really like using the lighter over the heat gun. I just feel like it does a better job at popping bubbles. But when in doubt, just bust out the heat gun because it's definitely Old Faithful. And if you know me, then you know that I do not like waiting for my projects to dry. So I am popping these bad boys in the oven, in my convection oven for an hour at 350. Full disclosure though, when you use a convection oven, you are more prone to have bubbles. So I would not use this method for clear coats or any like light colored projects. This one has glitter in it, so you can't really tell, like it's not that noticeable. But if you're trying to sell something and you want it to be absolutely perfect, then the Old Faithful way of waiting 24 hours or hours for your project to dry and harden, that's truly the best method. But for me, I'm not selling these. I'm literally just doing them for fun. I think they're cute, so I don't really care about imperfections. For the decals, I use the print and cut method. If you don't know what that is, I have a video on how to make decals. And I printed these on glitter sticker paper. So I'm gonna just stick those bad boys onto the coasters. And like I said earlier, I use clear resin to just seal them to make sure they don't go anywhere. After sealing my decals, I did pop these back into the oven, but like I stated earlier, they do give you bubbles, and I don't like that. So I'm going to learn patience, especially when doing this peekaboo coaster, because there's so many layers. I'm gonna just have to wait it out. I will probably do this project again because they're really cute. Like, they really did turn out super duper cute. But I have to be patient. I'm learning patience. I am. But what do you guys think? Like, do you like them? Are you going to attempt them? Do you have more patience than I do? Or are y'all just like, this is too many layers, it's too many moving pieces, it's too much? What y'all think? Let me know in the comments. And this is how my coasters turned out. I think they're super duper cute. We had some hiccups, but like I always say, mistakes give your projects what? They give them character. So I will be doing another set of these, probably different artists. I don't know. I feel like the opportunities are endless. Like, you can do whatever you want. It's your world. We're just living in it. So if you like this video, go ahead, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not. Everything will be linked in the description box below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Until next time, my Kandor crafters.